I'm not sure. But we've got some from one of my sponsors, ExoRacing, the absolute legend himself. Got some gold heat-proof reflective tape. So if you don't know what this is, basically you'll see, if you look in like race car engine bays and stuff, you'll see this stuff all around. Even Formula One use this. So things like heat shields or anything you don't want to get hot, so coolant lines, anything, brake lines, anything you don't want to get hot from the engine bay, you put this stuff on it and it, exactly what it says, it reflects the heat, so that part doesn't get hot. So today I will be doing, if I can get it, oops, just cut myself, the heat shield of my Mishimoto induction kit, because it's amazing, but because it's black and metal, it absorbs the heat quite well. So we're going to get rid of that. So I'm going to be doing, because it sits in the engine bay like that, and my filter will sit here. So I'm going to do this back bit and this bit. Obviously I will be taking these seals off and everything, get a nice clean cut, and then put them back on. And then I will try, I should have enough, to do the inside and here. Obviously I will cut round the Mishimoto just to make it look nice and neat. But yeah, I'll be doing that. Obviously I haven't got enough to do today, but I will also be doing the inside of my bonnet as well. So when you lift up your bonnet, you'll have that sound deadening like fabric bit. Taking that off, and then I'll be getting basically this stuff, but it comes in a massive sheet, and I'll be putting that on as well to help sort that out. I'll also be doing again similar kind of stuff, but it's Velcro. I'll be getting some of that and put on my coolant lines and stuff like that, just to keep things a bit cooler. Apart from that, yeah, the cool thing is about this is he actually sends you this as well. I have opened it, but it's the heat reflective installation kit, which you can see here. You get a really, it's actually nice and soft actually, a really cool ExoRacing microfiber. Says ExoRacing there. Even has like a little loop for you to hold on to. And also has his own squeegee, which I thought that was a sticker, but it's actually not. It's like etched on, which is really, really cool. I've lost mine, so that's cool. Again, won't be today, but thank you to my mate Lee for helping me sort these out. But I found a company that basically do a bolt dress-up kit. Sorry for my voice, I'm a bit hay fevery today. But it's basically doing a dress-up kit for the entire Beamer, so the engine bay, even the doors, the boot, everything. But in total, it comes to, because it's American, I think after delivery it's about 700 or 800 quid, and am I hell doing that? So we've gone through, obviously I've still got more bolts to come, but we've gone through most of my car and found the M6 by 16s, and then these are M6 by 20s. I do have some more coming because I have some self tappers in the engine bay as well, so they should be here next week. I'm going gold thing, so if you see on my picture, I'll see if I can throw a picture up now, but where they're blue, I'm going to go gold, obviously to match all this, so everything blends in nicely. Looks a bit more race car-y. So we'll shut up talking and just crack this out and get back on the car. Right, so after that little time lapse, it's actually looks so good. It's only a small bit, but it's so effective. So if I turn this around, you can see it's so effective. I have done the strut turret because that was getting very warm as well. So I've done majority of it. If I stand this side, you'll see more. But yeah, it looks so good, and it goes on really easy actually. So I will be doing it under here as well. I'll be taking that off. What do you call it? Taking this off because it's coming off. So I'll be taking that off. Doing like a big panel of this stuff, this gold stuff. So that'll be on there. I have, like I said, I've got some bolts coming to replace all of these blue ones. But yeah, it's going to look really good. And then I found a company that basically makes that in carbon, that tray in there in carbon, that bit in carbon, that bit in carbon, and this bit in carbon. So when I stand back, I'm going to be getting a new one of these washer bottles as well, because for some reason it keeps going algae at the bottom. Even though I've cleaned it out, it keeps where's the camera there? So even though I've cleaned it out, it keeps going dirty as anything. So I'll be getting a new one of them. So basically, by the time I'm done, that'll be new, that'll be carbon, all that there will be carbon fibre, that'll be carbon fibre, that'll be carbon fibre, that's gold. That'll be the gold heat stuff, and then all the blue bolts will be gold as well. The headlights look absolutely incredible with the gold tape as well. It just looks absolutely insane. So yeah, like I said, it's only going to be a small one today, but yeah, it's heat management in these bays tends to be a big thing because it's so yeah, especially with the hot weather at the minute, it's like 30 odd degrees in the UK at the minute. So trying to sort this out has been manic, and it's shown me that I needed to get something done. So yeah, peace.